Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dee. अब जैसे भी हो नए हो पुराने हो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर हो. So we are going to a nice place Santorini और आपको ये पूरा दिखाते हैं how we are going towards there. बस में हम बैठ गए and then हम डबलिन एयरपोर्ट पहुंच गए. फिर हमने चेक इन करा दिया बैग. I was very hungry, so we had a lounge access. So we went to a lounge and then I was eating their biscuits and some kind of sweet. And then I was drinking something. I could only drink Fanta and my husband was having his beer as usual. And then I was just drinking and then I was showing you what I was wearing. It was so the food which I ate in the lounge, it was not enough for me. So then I went to Burger King to have my burger and chips so I could take that in the plane as well. And then we went in a bus towards our a plane, and then I was telling my husband to show the airport where the planes are parked, and then we were moving in. I was so happy that day because it's a dream come true place where we are going, and you can see it's so windy here in Dublin. Me and my husband both were very excited because we are going to Santorini. And yes, I have my Burger King because I need my food. As you can see, there's a weird noise in the plane. And also, as you can see, we were going inside the plane. I have to take my video because I want to show it. And whenever I go inside the plane, I always greet the staff. And then we were well settled on our seats, and then as usual he's doing his work. Even we are sitting on the plane, he's always doing his work. That's why I was having that kind of an expression on my face, because he's always busy. And there is a very beautiful view out of the window. I had a good sleep, and then I was try to capture a moment because it was really good. And then we are finally here in Santorini. I'll show you the night time view. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये व्यू देखना. I love to watch the view outside the window because it's so beautiful and wonderful. And then we finally landed, so I was happy as he was. And then we were just waiting for our turn to move out. And then I got a very big surprise from my husband. There was a lady who came us to pick up, and there was on the board my name and his name. I have dreamt about this, but he did it for me. Thank you, baby. Now we are just going to our destination. And then we were going to a destination which is Ia, which is the most famous place in Santorini. It is so beautiful. I'll show you guys. This is the nighttime view and it is so beautiful. We enjoyed a lot. There's another view for you guys. So there are perks being a lady because you never have to pick up the heavy luggages. There is your husband and there is another people who will help you. So that's a really good thing. The main thing was that there are big steps here, but it is so beautiful and worth it. And this is our view, the whole view of the house and the view of nighttime. I'm very happy for this big house. Yes, we are just 2 people, but we are gonna enjoy there. And here you will see so many cats loitering around because I don't know why. There's a cute video with it. Thank you for watching. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो please make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.